Hi everyone, it's Lynnea here for Trinity Stamps. Today we're looking at the new Halloween Cup Dress Up die set. This die set has 9 pieces and it's an add-on die set for the Trinity Cup card die set, or you could use the regular coffee cup card die set. I'm going to be using the Trinity Cup card die set with both of these today. And you're going to be able to create a little jack-o'-lantern face as well as a cute little spooky ghost face. So I'm starting here by taking that large die from the Trini-Tea cup card die set, and I'm going to cut out that teacup card base. You just need to cut this once and then fold it in half. And I'm also taking that upper die that's going to cut out the liquid that's inside of the cup. Not quite sure this is going to be tea. I'm kind of making this like a spooky potion. I know my camera's blurry right now. I promise you in this next clip it goes back to being normal. I'm not sure why this one got so blurry. I'm going to take that Trinity cup die cut and then just fold that in half, and that's going to create my cute little cup. Now I took the Halloween Cup Dress Up die set and I cut a bunch of the pieces from black cardstock, and I'm going to be creating a little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern out of this teacup. So I'm taking a blending buddy and I have some Distress Oxide ink. I'm using Carved Pumpkin, and I'm just going to go all around this teacup and create an orange cup. Now you could definitely cut from orange cardstock, but I wanted this to have not quite a mottled look, but I didn't want it to have completely even blending. I wanted there to be darker at the bottom and then kind of lighten up towards the top and kind of darker on the handle, just to give it some shading and some definition and just bring a little bit more life into this teacup card. I'm going to do the same thing with a second teacup for the ghost. So again, I took that Trinity Cup card die set and I cut that card shape from white cardstock, and now I'm using another blending buddy and I'm going to go over this cup with purple ink. This one's a little bit too light, so I will eventually bring in a darker purple and darken this one up a little bit. So in the end I will have 2 teacup shaped cards. One will be orange for the jack-o'-lantern and the other one will be purple, and that will be for the little ghosty face. I cut out 2 of these green toppers to put the liquid in, and that piece cuts into 2 pieces. So one is going to be like the inside of the teacup, and then the other one's the actual liquid. I'm using both of those pieces together just to make sure I get that kind of green mysterious witch brew liquid lined up correctly. I'm not actually using the second piece. I wanted to have that whole teacup be whatever color I ink blended. I'm just using this as a placeholder so I can make sure that I line up my liquid correctly. So I'll just use some liquid adhesive and glue that onto the top, and then I'll bring in more liquid adhesive and I'm going to start assembling my pieces from the Halloween Cup Dress Up die set. So my jack-o'-lantern here is going to have the little mouth and then the eyes and the little triangle for the nose as well. And then I'll just use some tweezers and some liquid adhesive to adhere that. Here's my little ghosty face. I'm going to get these set up before I glue them down to make sure that I have placement correctly. I love the wonky eyes on this little ghosty. And then there's a spider, and I actually did end up cutting another spider because I thought that they both needed a little spider. So here are my finished cards using the Halloween Cup Dress Up die set, which is new this month, along with the previously released Trinity Cup card die set. And remember, you can use the coffee cup card die set for these as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I have listed and linked the products I used in this video in the description below, so happy shopping. Thanks so much for watching. Coming up on the screen are going to be 2 videos that I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you soon. Bye.